Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Paediatric Puzzles. I am your host, Dr. Vivek Vishwanathan, and today we are tackling a topic that might sound a little daunting, the dreaded oh movements with your little ones. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a scary episode. We are all about being prepared, not paranoid. Because let's face it, kids are little bundles of boundless energy and sometimes, boundless chaos. And with that chaos comes the occasional scrape, sniffle, or surprise tummy ache. That's when a well-stocked pediatric emergency kit comes in. Think of it as your superhero cape, ready to swoop in and save the day, or at least that evening, when those unexpected moments arise. Now, before you envision a full-blown medical cabinet on wheels, relax. We are keeping things simple and practical here. Here's what your mini medical marvel should include. The first line of defense. Band-aids in all shapes and sizes. Remember, a cool character bandage can turn a boo-boo into a badge of bravery. Don't forget some antiseptic wipes to clean those minor cuts and scrapes. Think of them as tiny germ zappers. A digital thermometer is a must-have. No more wrestling the little one over a mercury thermometer. And a saline nasal spray can be a lifesaver during those stuffy nose emergencies. Comfort Crusaders. A child-friendly pain reliever like acetaminophen, that's paracetamol my dear friends, or ibuprofen in age-appropriate doses of course. Always consult your pediatrician before administering any medicine. A snuggly blanket for those moments when a cuddle is the best medicine. And a few age-appropriate distraction toys. A new coloring book maybe a rattle for the little ones. These can be lifesavers when you need to take a temperature or clean a wound. Bonus tip. Throw in a small Ziploc bag with some spare wipes and a change of clothes. Also a flashlight and a whistle when your child gets those moments in the wild. Trust me, a surprise diaper leak can turn a good day into a not so good day in a jiffy. Remember, this kit is all about preparedness, not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your child has a serious injury or illness, don't hesitate to call your pediatrician or the pediatric surgeon or even head to the emergency room if need be. But for those everyday bumps and bruises, your little superhero kit will be there to save the day. And hey, it might even give you a little peace of mind too. So stock up, assemble your mini medical marvel, and remember, with a little preparation, you can navigate those unexpected moments with a smile. Until next time, stay healthy and happy puzzling. This is Dr. Vivek Vishwanathan signing off. Peace out.